Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about number systems for IIM case BMSAT. So in this topic we want to discuss some models like arranging the numbers in an order, LCM HCF, divisibility problems, prime factorization, cyclicity applications and finding reminders. Remember, these type of models were repeated in different BBA entrance examinations like GIPMAT, IIM Rohtak and IIM Indore. Recently, IIM Indore have asked questions directly from prime factorization. Even though it looks simple, these models play a very crucial role. Like that, arranging the numbers in an order also plays a crucial role in giving more marks. So today we are going to start our class or our topics with arranging the numbers in an order. So let's go into it. So coming to this problem, I hope you find this problem easy. But let us see how to solve these type of problems. So given numbers are not in an integer or not in an integer way. Okay, I cannot directly say that root 5 is greater than 2 power 3 by 2 or it's less than 3 power 1 by 3. So here what we have to do, we have to take common powers. For example, if I have 2 cube and 3 cube, which one would be greater and which one would be smaller? Obviously, if the powers are same, the numbers the bases which have the greatest number will be the greatest number. So 3 cube will be obviously greatest number. So like that, I need to make these exponents into a common multiple or a common exponent. Then I can easily compare those things. So let us do that. So it is given as 5 power 1 by 2, 2 power 3 by 2. 3 power 1 by 3 and 5 power 1 by 4. Now, before going into these numbers, let's take two common things so that we can compare easily. 5 power 1 by 2 and 5 power 1 by 4. Which one is greater, which one is smaller? So 5 power 1 by 2 and 5 power 1 by 4. They have common bases. If we have common bases, we will compare the exponents. So in the exponents, which one is greater? This one is greater. So 5 power 1 by 2 will be automatically greater than 5 power 1 by 4. Okay. In these two numbers, we already got which one is lower and which one is greater. Now coming to this one. 2 power 3 by 2 and 5 power 1 by 2. Which one is greater and which one is smaller? So that I can easily place this 2 power 3 by 2 in this order. So let's make, even though I take LCM or anything, I cannot make these bases common. So what to do? I have to make the exponents common. But in exponents also, it is 3 by 2 and 2 power 1 by 2. Can I take or can I multiply? Can I take a whole power, something like into 6? So that 3 by 2 into 6, 1 by 2 into 6, it will give me a normal number. So this into 3, this into 3. So this gives me 2 power 3 into 3, 9, and this gives me 5 cube. You can take directly the values of 2 power 9, 5 power 3. What is the value of 2 power 9? You know 2 power 5 is 32, 2 power 6 is 64, 7 is 128, 8 is 256, and this one will be 512. So 5 cube will be 5 square is 25, 5 cube is 125. Okay. Now in this way we can say that this 2 power 9 is greater. That means 2 power 3 by 2 is greater than 5 power 1 by 2. Okay. Now again come to these two numbers, 2 power 3 by 2 and 1 by 3. So in these two things, again I'll take an exponent which cancels 2 and 3 both. Okay. So I'll take 6 again. Here I could take even 4. If I take 4, it will be even better. Okay, you can try that also. 2 2s 4, 2 2s 4. So this one will be 2 power 6, 64, and this is 5 square, 25. Even then this one will be greater. Like that, compare these two things. So this into 3, this into 2. So 2 power 9, again 5 and 2, 3 square, it's 9. So it is less than 2 power 3 3 by 2. So 3 power 1 by 3 should be less than sorry, I made a mistake here. Okay, 2 power 3 by 2 should be greater than 5 power 1 by 2. Okay, don't compare these things. I will arrange the order in a way, such a way that this is less than this thing and 5 power 1 by 2 is less than 2 power 3 by 2. Okay, so 3 power 1 by 3 is less than 2 power 3 by 2. It has to come among these three numbers. So let's see whether it is greater than 5 power 1 by 2 or not. So again, 5 power 1 by 2 and 3 power 1 by 3. Which one to take? I mean, we have to take LCM for 2 and 3. So I'm comparing taking exponent for 6. Now again 3, 2. This one is 125 and this one is 9. So it's less than 5 power 1 by 2 again. Again, at last we have 5 power 1 by 4 and 3 power 1 by 3. Which one to take? What is the LCM? LCM is 12. Go for that. So this one will be 5 cube, this one will be 4. So 5 cube is 125, 3 power 4 is 81. That means this is even less than 5 power 1 by 4. So what is the least number among this thing? It is 3 power 1 by 3 and next one will be 5 power 1 by 4. After that will be 5 power 1 by 2 and next it will be 2 power 3 by 2. So it increases in this order. So they have asked us the ascending order. This is our ascending order. So I hope you understood this. What you have to do? You have to make the exponents in a common way, or you can make the bases common and compare the exponents. Either these two will be valid, but we cannot combine both. Okay. So here what I did, I compared two terms, and among these two terms I made exponents common and took LCM for the exponents, and so that I'll get a valid number to compare these things, and I took the values of those numbers after converting that into exponents. Okay, so now let's go to one previous year question that is asked in your IIM Indore. I hope it's IIM Indore only. In this question we have to find the greatest number among the following four numbers. It is 3 power 200, 2 power 300, 2 power 300 plus 3 power 200 and 4 power 100. Again, they are all given in highest powers. So I don't know the values of those highest powers. Even I'm good at maths, I cannot find them, right? That fast as well. I mean, as much as fast as possible. So what I have to do? I have to make let's take every number. 3 power 200, 2 power 300, 2 power 300 plus 3 power 200, and this is 4 power 100. Now what to do? I have to make either the bases common or the exponents common. I cannot make the bases common because there are two things, and I have to multiply with this 3 power 200 with 2 power 200 and divide it by 2 power 200. Again, a denominator comes to me. So I have to compare the denominators. It will be a larger problem. So I will not do that. Better, I will make the exponents common. How to make exponents common? Can you see this 3 power 200 can be written as 3 square power 100, isn't it? So this can be written as 9 power 100. In the same way, this 2 power 300 can be written as 2 cube power 100. So it will be 8 power 100. Now you can say easily which one is greater. 9 power 100 is greater, 8 power 100 is greater. Obviously 9 power 100 is greater. But wait, the problem doesn't end there. That's the third option do have combination of these both, 9 power 100 and 8 power 100. And what about the fourth option? It is 4 power 100. We can easily say that this is less than these two options, and the third option is greater than these two options. So it is the answer 3 or the option C. So we have what we have to do in this model, we have to make exponents common or the bases common, any one thing. So for making exponents common, I can see any common multiple there, or make that common multiple by taking LCM. That's it. Okay, I hope you understood this model. Practice more problems on this model so that IMK may ask this type of models. Thank you.